这下嘴的。
耶！
He was close there. Did you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
看看这车都放起来了，都卷起来了，这玻璃。
I'm gonna go and look for another bed today. Like maybe a day bed or something. I mean, I have that credit card. I'm not gonna buy anything expensive. I'll try like Salvation Army first and see what I can find, you know. But I definitely need a smaller bed and one that's up off the floor because it's killing me. And then I'm just gonna let Al have this one because I just wanted out of here and he's sleeping on a blow-up mattress anyway. But I'm trying to make coffee. I went and bought decaf coffee. It's not really doing me any good. But I've been having anxiety and I think it's from the coffee, you know, because I made it like really super strong the other day at work.